In this video, you will learn how to build a simple rain detection system using Arduino. This project detects rain and triggers a buzzer alert when water is detected. You will need an Arduino, a rain sensor module, a buzzer, and some jumper wires. Follow this wiring diagram carefully before connecting your components. Here is the actual wiring setup based on the diagram. The sensor detects water on the probe and sends a signal to the Arduino. Upload the code to your Arduino using the Arduino IDE. When the sensor is dry, the buzzer stays off. When water touches the sensor, the buzzer turns on. Now, your rain detection system is working perfectly. Check the description for the full code. See you in the next project.